morning, dear friends. You're at Azra Bazaz's Knowledge Corner. Today, we will be studying about the most important questions of rise of nationalism in Europe. See, there is a likely question is briefly trace the process of German unification. See, this answer is a likely answer. Bismarck was the main architect of German unification, where the liberals were, this one, what to say, suppressed by the aristocratic forces with the support from the landowners of Prussia. Bismarck took over. See, this is a very likely question. This is a very important question. Okay. Then the next question is, what changes did Napoleon introduce to make the administrative system more efficient in the territories ruled by him? Napoleon may have destroyed democracy. He incorporated revolutionary principles to make the whole system more rational and efficient. Napoleonic Code did away with privileges. We have studied in the lesson, isn't it? We studied in the lesson that those 8 to 10 points, those only are getting repeated. And then there is a likely question there: what steps did the French revolutionaries take to create a sense of collective identity among the French people? See, this also we have discussed in the lesson, isn't it? Those 8 points, the this one, the ideas of fatherland and the citizen were introduced, being bringing about a united community enjoying equal rights under a constitution. The French flag was changed to a tricolor. The National Assembly became a body of elected members elected by the active citizens. National hymns were written, oaths were taken in the name of the nation. All the martyrs were commemorated. Uniform laws were formed by a centralized administrative system. Uniform weights and measures were adopted, and different types of custom duties and dues were abolished. French that was spoken in Paris was encouraged, while regional dialects were discouraged. France became an example for all the other European nations to follow to root out monarchy. Then there is a next question, which is almost like it. Without it, the this one, what to say, the question paper is not okay. Explain what is meant by the 1848 revolution of the liberals. The educated middle class started a revolution of their own. We have discussed this also. 831, this one, what to say, mm, मतलब फ्रैंकफर्ट पार्लियामेंट का वही आंसर है, द सेम आंसर विच यू शो इन फ्रैंकफर्ट पार्लियामेंट, यू कैन राइट इट. ओके. Then this Germany and Italy, the unification of Germany and Italy, it is not always there, but Britain, it has come many times. It has come, history of nationalism in Britain. But the next most important question is, why did nationalist tensions emerge in the Balkans? This is a very important question. You can look into it. Okay, Balkans was a region of varied ethnic variations. Countries of modern day Romania and all those names were consisting of distinct culture and traditions. A large part of the Balkans was under the Ottoman Empire, and the efforts of the Ottoman Empire to bring about modernization came with very little success. The slow disintegration of the once powerful Ottoman Empire gave opportunity to its European subjugated nations to seek independence. The area of Balkans became a highly explosive, with the Balkans demanding independence based on their historical independence. The Balkans not only were demanding independence from the Ottoman empires, but also were keen on expanding their own territories at the cost of others. Balkans became the center of intense rivalry, and the other European nations too were in conflict with each other for colonies and trade. All these conflicts and trade rivalries, along with the race for imperialism, ultimately culminated into the First World War. So, why did nationalist tensions emerge in the Balkans? Thus, the nationalist tensions, which first emerged in the Balkans in their quest for independence, ultimately led to one of the greatest tensions in the history. So, then there is the short notes. When we come to short notes, you please see here the Greek War of Independence, then the Frankfurt Parliament. These are both are very likely important questions. Okay.